You've been told your whole life that cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. Your parents said it, your teachers probably said it. At some point, someone looked at you with genuine concern and told you to stop. They were wrong. Knuckle cracking is one of those habits that divides people completely. Some find it deeply satisfying, almost compulsive. Others find the sound unbearable. But almost nobody actually knows what's causing it. Is it bones? Is it tendons? Is it something snapping out of place? The real answer took scientists longer to figure out than you might expect, and it involves something happening inside your joint in a fraction of a second. Your knuckle joints are surrounded by a capsule filled with synovial fluid. Synovial fluid is a thick liquid that lubricates your joints. It reduces friction and helps your bones move smoothly past one another. This fluid contains dissolved gases, primarily carbon dioxide, oxygen, and nitrogen. When you pull or bend a finger to crack it, you're stretching the joint capsule and rapidly increasing the space inside it. That sudden increase in space causes the pressure inside the joint to drop. And when pressure drops quickly enough, the dissolved gases come out of solution and form a bubble. That bubble formation process is what produces the familiar cracking sound, although scientists are still refining exactly which moment in that process creates the noise. It's called cavitation, the same phenomenon that happens inside boat propellers, inside hydraulic machinery, and inside the joints of almost every person who's ever pulled their fingers on a quiet morning. Now, scientists actually debated this for decades. For a long time, the leading theory was that the sound came from a bubble collapsing. Then, a 2015 study using real-time MRI imaging suggested the sound was actually the bubble forming, not popping. More recent research has complicated that picture further. The honest answer is that we have a very good understanding of the basic mechanism: gases, pressure, cavitation, but the exact moment the sound is produced is still being refined. Science is sometimes like that. The broad picture is clear. The fine detail is still in progress. So, what about arthritis? This is where the story gets interesting. A doctor named Donald Unger spent 60 years of his life cracking the knuckles on one hand every day, while leaving the other hand completely alone. After 6 decades, he examined both hands. No difference. No arthritis. No joint damage of any kind. He won an Ig Nobel Prize for it in 2009, the award given for research that first makes you laugh, then makes you think. Larger studies have supported his finding. The current medical consensus is that habitual knuckle cracking does not cause arthritis. There is some evidence that very frequent cracking over many years may be associated with mild soft tissue changes, slight swelling, or reduced grip strength in some people. But arthritis specifically? The link has not been established. One thing science hasn't fully explained yet: why does it feel so good? Some researchers believe the sensation of relief comes from the stretching of the joint itself, rather than the pop. The pop might simply be the satisfying signal that the stretch happened. Others suggest there may be a mild release of endorphins involved, the same chemicals linked to physical relief and comfort. Either way, for most people, in most circumstances, it appears to be harmless. Your parents meant well. So, the next time someone tells you to stop cracking your knuckles, you now have 60 years of one man's dedication to science on your side. Your body is full of mechanisms like this. Tiny, automatic, mostly invisible processes happening every second of every day. Most of them you'll never notice. Some of them, like this one, just occasionally announce themselves. That's human source code. Next video, something that happens to every single one of us, usually in the worst possible moment, in the quietest possible room. See you there.